everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. This video is going to be about AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam, and we have 1000 questions in this series, out of which we are going to practice the questions from 111 to 120 in this particular video. So without any further delay, let us get started. Okay. Question 111. Increasing the number of EC2 instances based on the number of users using your application is an example of. Options are given. You have 10 seconds. Choose the answer. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, durability, means ensuring data is safe and long lasting, like a strong durable box. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. This is not we want. Option 3, security, means protecting data and resources from unauthorized users, like a locked safe, right? So this is also not the correct answer. Option 4, reliability, means ensuring resources are always available and functioning, like a reliable car. So this is also not the correct answer. Option 1, elasticity, means scaling your resources like EC2 instances up or down to match changing demand. In this case, increasing EC2 instances based on the number of users is an example of elasticity, like stretching a rubber band to match the size of the load, right? So this is your correct answer. Question 112. Which of these AWS services enables you to access, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources? So you have the options. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, AWS Cloud Trail tracks API activity and provides information on API calls but doesn't assess resource configurations. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, Amazon Guard Duty is a security service that detects threats but doesn't evaluate resource configurations. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, Amazon CloudWatch monitors resources and applications but doesn't assess configurations. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, AWS Config is a service that assesses, audits, and evaluates the configurations of your AWS resources. Okay, it continually monitors and records your AWS resource configurations, allowing you to automate the evaluation of recorded configurations against desired configurations. Okay, so this is what we want. This is the correct answer. All right. Question 113. What does infrastructure as code refer to in cloud computing? You have the options. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, automating database and storage migrations from on-premises to cloud is related to data migration, not infrastructure provisioning. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, automating monitoring of applications is related to monitoring and observability, not infrastructure provisioning, right? So this is the wrong answer. Option 4, automating migration of applications from on-premises to cloud is related to application migration, not infrastructure provisioning, right? So this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, automating provisioning of infrastructure in the cloud. It means that infrastructure as code refers to the practice of provisioning and managing cloud infrastructure, like virtual servers, networks, and databases using code and configuration files rather than manual processes. Okay, so this, my friend, is the correct answer. Question 114. Which AWS services can be used to facilitate organizational change management, part of the reliability pillar of AWS Well Architect framework? You have to select 3 options. Okay, so go ahead. Time up. Now, let us analyze the answers. Option 2, AWS Trusted Advisor provides recommendations to help you follow best practices for AWS. It gives you advice on things like cost savings, security, and performance, but it doesn't directly manage or track changes in your AWS resources. Therefore, it's not specifically for change management under the reliability pillar. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 3, Amazon Inspector, is used for security assessments, not change management. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 1, AWS Config, helps track changes to AWS resources, supporting change management, right? So this is the one correct answer. Okay, option 4, AWS Cloud Trail provides a record of all the API calls, helping with auditing and compliance, right? So this is also the second correct answer. Option 5, Amazon CloudWatch, okay, monitors your AWS resources and applications. It collects and tracks metrics, logs, and events, helping you understand how resources are performing, right? By monitoring these changes, you can ensure your systems are reliable and catch issues early. Okay, so this is your third correct answer. AWS Config, AWS Cloud Trail, Amazon CloudWatch are the correct answers. Okay, they can be used to facilitate organizational change management. Alright, now question 115. A startup wants to set up its IT infrastructure on AWS Cloud. The CTO would like to get an estimate of the monthly AWS bill based on the services that the startup wants to use. As a cloud practitioner, which AWS service would you suggest for this use case? Okay, so your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, AWS Cost and Usage Report, provides detailed information on past costs and usage but doesn't estimate future costs. Okay, so this is your wrong answer. Option 3, AWS Cost Explorer, helps visualize and analyze past costs but doesn't estimate future costs. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. AWS Budgets helps set budget targets and track costs but doesn't estimate monthly bills, right? So this is also the wrong answer. Option 1, AWS Pricing Calculator, is a tool that helps estimate monthly costs based on the AWS services you plan to use. It's like a calculator that gives you an estimate of your AWS bill. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Alright. 116. According to the AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following are responsibilities of the customer for Amazon RDS? So options are here. Your time starts now. Time up. Now, option 1, applying patches to the RDS database. Like AWS takes care of applying patches and updates to the database software running on RDS. You don't need to handle this. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, managing the underlying server hardware on which RDS runs. This is AWS's job. They take care of all the physical hardware, so you don't have to worry about the actual servers. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, applying patches to the RDS database. AWS also manages the operating system that the RDS database runs on. This includes keeping it updated and secure, so you don't have to worry about applying patches. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, database encryption. Like as a customer, you are responsible for deciding if you want to encrypt your database and settling up that encryption. AWS gives you the tools, but it's up to you to use them. Okay, so this is the right answer. Question 117. Which of the following entities can be used to connect to an EC2 server from a Mac OS, Windows, a Linux based computer via a browser based client? So options are here. Your time starts now. Time up. Now, AWS Direct Connect is a service that connects your data center to AWS, but it's not a way to connect to an EC2 instance from a browser. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. SSH is a secure way to connect to EC2 instances, but it requires a client like PuTTY and SSH keys, not a browser. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, PuTTY, is a SSH client for Windows, but it's not a browser based solution, right? So this is the wrong answer. Option 4, EC2 Instance Connect, is a service that allows you to connect to your EC2 instances from a browser without needing to use SSH keys or a VPN. It's like a secure browser based doorway to your EC2 server, right? So this is the correct answer. Alright. Question 118. A company is planning to move a number of legacy applications to the AWS Cloud. The solution must be cost effective. Okay, so which approach should the company take? The options are quite huge. If you want to take some more time, you can pause the video. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now, option 2, migrate the applications to dedicated hosts on Amazon EC2, are more expensive and would require a significant change to the application. So this is not we want. Wrong answer. Option 3, use AWS Lambda to host the legacy applications in the cloud. It is a serverless service that's great for new applications but might require significant changes to legacy applications. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, use an Amazon S3 static website to host the legacy application code. It is like a storage service, not a computing service, so it's not suitable for hosting applications, right? So this is also the wrong answer. Option 1, rehost the applications on Amazon EC2 instances that are right sized. Now, rehosting means moving your applications to the cloud without changing them. Right sizing your EC2 instances means choosing the correct size and type of instances to match your application's needs, so you don't overspend. Okay, this approach is cost effective because you're only paying for the resources you need and you're not changing your applications, which saves time and money. Hope you understood. So this one is the correct answer. 119. A company is deploying a new web application in a single AWS region that will be used by the users globally. Which AWS services will assist with lowering latency and improving transfer speeds for the global users? You have to select two options. Okay, so go through the options. Your time starts now. Alrighty, time up. Now, AWS Direct Connect is a service that connects your data center to AWS, but it does not help with latency or transfer speeds for global users. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 4, AWS Transit Gateway is a service that connects multiple VPCs and accounts, but it doesn't help with latency or transfer speeds for global users. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 5, AWS Snowcone is a small portable storage device for data transfer, but it doesn't help with latency or transfer speeds for global users, right? So this is the wrong answer. Option 2, Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network, CDN, okay, that caches your content at edge locations around the world, reducing latency and improving download speeds. Got it? So this is one correct answer. Another one is AWS Global Accelerator because it helps reduce latency and improve performance by using the AWS Global Network to accelerate traffic to your application. Alright, so this is your second correct answer. Alright, so our last question is left. 120. Which AWS service can be used to send automated notifications to HTTP endpoints? So go through the answers. Your time starts now. Time up. Now, Amazon SES is a email service that sends emails not notifications to HTTP endpoints. So it sends email, okay? Email service. Wrong answer. Option 2, Amazon SQS is a message queue service that stores messages for later processing, but it's not meant for sending notifications to the HTTP endpoints, okay? So this is also the wrong answer. Amazon SWF is a service that coordinates workflows, but it's not meant for sending notifications to HTTP endpoints. So it coordinates workflows. Wrong answer. Alright. Option 4, Amazon SNS is a service that sends notifications to multiple subscribers, including HTTP endpoints. It's like a messenger that sends alerts to your applications. This is what we want. Amazon SNS is the correct answer. So congratulations for that. You have successfully completed all the 10 questions. This is how we come to the end of the video. If you haven't watched the previous questions, 100 questions, 110 questions, please do go and watch them, answer them, find out your score, leave it in the comments, even in this video. We would love to listen to your scores, and if you have any problem, leave them in the comments, okay? So yes, like this video, subscribe to our channel. That's all. Keep learning, keep practicing, take care, and bye.